Hello my dear students. Today we are going to study articles and determiners. Yes. So in the earlier classes we know what are articles, a, an, the. Right. So here something new, determiners. So we are going to study about determiners also in this class. Now let us see the definition of articles. The words a, an and the are called the articles. As I said before that a and the are called the articles. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles. Now a and an they are called indefinite. मतलब हमको पता नहीं है. In general हम लोग कोई एक चीज़ को बोलने के पहले हम लोग a and an लगाते हैं. Now if I want to say about something particular, किसी एक के बारे में, एक चीज़ के बारे में, some particular, so the article the is called the definite article. So as we move further, you will understand what is indefinite and definite article. Yes, so how do we use this? Use of indefinite articles. What are they? A, an, right? So the article a is used before singular nouns beginning with consonants. Yes, we know this also. A हम कभी यूज़ करते हैं जब कुछ एक रहेगा and before consonants. Consonants क्या है? जो vowels नहीं है. Now you will say what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, those are vowels. Consonants क्या है? Rest of the alphabets. Okay. A table, a park, a lion. Single cheese and with beginning with consonants. Now, the article a is also used before singular nouns starting with vowels that sound like consonants. Now, we also use a before vowels, but they sound like consonants. A university, a 1 rupee coin. Yes. Then when do we use an? Yes, we use an before vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds. And when we have the sound of H. Honest. O. Yes. So, H silent rahega. An honest farmer. So, we use an. See here. An ant. An owl. An umbrella. An eagle. An honest man. Yes. So, we did with indefinite articles. We have a, an. Correct? See, the articles a and an are used to refer to some indefinite person or thing. An ant. A park. General में एक particular चीज़ के बारे में नहीं है. Then I ate a banana this morning. A banana, single. We bought an old table at an exhibition. E, O, those are vowel sounds. Correct? So the articles a and an are also used before singular nouns to mean one. An and a एक रहेगा उसके पहले भी हम यूज़ करते हैं. So I just saw a good movie today. Give me an orange that is sweet. Correct? Then comes use of the definite article. Now definite article is the. The article the is used to point out a particular or definite person, thing or place. Particular cheese. Example, that is the man who came to our school yesterday. वो वही आदमी है, वो एक आदमी. The, so that is the man. Where is the dress you will wear tomorrow? कल का जो कपड़ा है वो कहाँ पे है? So the dress. So and sometimes article the is used to refer to someone or something which is already mentioned earlier. For example, in a sentence, there was a rabbit in the garden. Rabbit एक ही है, right? R है, so consonant we are using a. But again यही rabbit के बारे में बात हो रहा है. So ये rabbit के बारे में बात हो रहा है. That is why I am using the. The rabbit was very pretty. Correct? The article the is used before names of geographical phenomena. Phenomena, fact. Then monuments, Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. Holy books, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. Yes, so when do we use the is been given here. The Kaveri, name of the river. The Sahyadris, mountain. The Vedas which we chant during pujas. The gateway of India, it's a place. Yes, then it is also used to make generalizations, commonly बताने के लिए. For example, the cow eats grass. तो आप लोग सोचने का नहीं कि एक ही एक पर्टिकुलर काउ है वो ही खाता है, नहीं, ऑल काउज ईट ग्रास. सो यहाँ पे बताने के टाइम पे द काउ ईट्स ग्रास. करेक्ट. सो वी स्टडीड अबाउट indefinite articles and definite articles. In indefinite articles we have a, an, right? In definite articles we have the. Next, coming forward to the new thing, new concept is determiners. Now what are determiners? Determiners includes articles, possessive adjectives, demonstrative pronouns and other words. Now what are determiners? They determine something. Yes, they tell us, they limit something. See, they are used before the noun. They are placed before the noun. Noun के पहले है. That limit or determine or fix the meaning of the noun. जो meaning बताता है, particular meaning. It gives information of the noun that follows it. So we should keep in mind that determiners come before noun. Yes, articles we know a and the. Now possessive adjectives. Now possessive adjectives मतलब मेरा. It shows possession. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. His house is near Pune. So here his, uska ghar. House is the noun. Yes, it is coming before the noun. It shows or determines about his house. House के बारे में है. So his is possessive adjective determiners. Correct. Then comes demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. वो बताता है कहाँ पे है, क्या है. These shoes are mine. दूर रहा तो that apple is not sweet. Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. Right? Then other words such as some, many, these all words are also coming under determiners. Yes. Then there is a note. Often more than one determiner occurs before one single noun in a sentence. Not necessary कि एक ही determiner होना चाहिए. दो determiners भी हो सकते हैं. All the cakes in the shop were sold. All the. So ये क्या है? Determiners है. I hope you have understood. Still, if you are having any doubts, do let me know. Okay. Thank you.